Hello and welcome back to Learn English Moments. Today's lesson is a long, real-life conversation between two people waiting at the bus stop. Listen carefully and repeat the phrases after us to improve your English. This is day 14 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you improve your English step by step with daily practice, simple tips, and real examples. Excuse me, do you know what time the bus is coming?
I think it should arrive in about 10 minutes.
Ah, good. I was worried I might have just missed it.
Don't worry, this bus usually runs every 20 minutes, so even if we miss one, the next one comes soon.
That's a relief. Do you usually take this bus?
Yes, almost every day. I take it to work in the mornings. What about you?
Not every day, but a few times a week. Today, I'm going downtown.
Oh, nice. Are you going shopping or meeting someone?
I'm meeting a friend, and maybe I'll stop by the library first.
The Central Library? This bus passes right by it.
Really? That's perfect. I wasn't sure.
Yes, just remember to press the stop button when we get close.
Thanks for letting me know. Do you often go to the library?
Sometimes. I like to borrow books or study there when it's quiet.
I feel the same. A quiet place helps me focus better.
True. So what do you usually read?
I enjoy travel books and novels. How about you?
I usually read business books or biographies.
That sounds inspiring. By the way, do you live nearby?
Yes, just a short walk from here. It's convenient to have the bus stop so close.
Lucky you. I had to walk about 15 minutes to get here.
Well, at least it's some exercise.
True. Do you walk often?
Yes, I try to. Walking to the bus stop keeps me a little healthier.
That's a good habit. I should do that more often.
So, do you work downtown too?
No, I actually study part-time at a college.
Oh, that's great. What are you studying?
English and communication. I want to improve my skills.
That's very useful. Being good at English opens many doors.
Yes, that's what I think. How about you? What do you do?
I work in an office. It's not too exciting, but it pays the bills.
I understand. Do you like your job?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. But the people are nice, so that helps.
That's important. Having good coworkers makes a big difference.
Definitely. What about your friend? Are you meeting for lunch?
Yes, after the library, we'll have lunch together.
Do you have a favorite restaurant downtown?
There's a small cafe I really like. They serve great sandwiches.
Oh, I think I know that one. Near the park?
Exactly, yes. Their coffee is also really good.
Nice. I usually grab fast food because it's quick, but I know it's not healthy.
Same here sometimes, but when I have time, I prefer healthier options.
That makes sense. By the way, do you listen to music while waiting for the bus?
Yes, I usually listen to podcasts or songs. It makes the wait easier.
Me too. I usually play podcasts about business or motivation.
That's interesting. I like travel podcasts. It feels like I'm exploring the world.
That's a great idea. Maybe I should try that.
And maybe I should try listening to motivational podcasts.
We can exchange recommendations.
Sure. Do you also read while waiting?
Sometimes, but only if I know the bus is late. Otherwise, I just scroll on my phone.
Same here. Social media makes the time go faster.
True, but sometimes I think I spend too much time on my phone.
Me too. That's why I try reading instead.
Good idea. Oh, look, is that the bus coming?
Yes, I think it is.
Finally. It feels like we've been waiting a long time.
Yes, but the conversation made it shorter.
Agreed. Thanks for the nice chat.
Thank you too. Have a great day at work.
And you enjoy your time downtown.
That's the end of today's real conversation at the bus stop. Did you hear useful phrases like, do you know when the bus is coming? Or, this bus usually runs every 20 minutes. Try practicing them in your own conversations. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Learn English Moments for more daily practice.